Hi, folks. So we're going to start chapter 10, and I wanted to give you a little overview of the first section of the chapter, as well as kind of how we're going to go about teaching this stuff. I really would like in-class time to be time that we can talk about homework problems that you did, and talk in general about things rather than have them be discrete lessons. Although I'll do that as needed. But I hope that we can have more conversations in class than straightforward lessons. So I'm going to try to give you lessons via little short videos, like 5 to 6 minute videos, hopefully not longer than that, but maybe a few of them for a particular section of a chapter. So this one's just the overview video. I'm going to share with you an image of the book itself, and let's see how this looks. Here we go. So here's the book you have. Chapter 10, I'm on page 408, 409. There's a section here about getting ready. Talks about drawing. I'm going to have a little video on drawing. Here's a nice reasoning question that I like. I'm not going to go over it this moment. This chapter is on surface area and on volume. So last section we were working with angles and measurements all in 2 dimensions, and now we're working in 3 dimensions. So surface area. I'm not going to talk in detail about the formulas. I would much prefer you think about a rectangular prism. We're talking about surface area as the areas of the sides. I would like you to actually think of it as something that is spread out. In fact, also one of our other videos is going to show you how to make little figures like this that are 3-dimensional out of a flat piece of paper. So I have a bunch of these little tiny ones. I made a few. You're going to be making some as homework. I'm going to show you how to make them. Also, something we're going to do is we're going to use the spreadsheet from time to time. So anyway, I want you thinking about surface area. I want you to think about if this shape was laid out flat, and then we're going to take the areas of the sides and bottoms and tops and add them together. Right, so we need to find out the areas of those pieces and put them together. And that's what we might use a spreadsheet for. So we might also have a prism that doesn't come out looking like a cube. This is going to come out different. You can think about what that is going to be shaped like. You can turn the page here. So one of the key ideas is thinking about this shape as a flat piece. This is called a net. I'm going to refer to this as a net. All right, and yes, they do have the formula here. I'm not even going to tell you. I'm not even going to say the formula. You can look it up. Here's some problems where we think about the item as a net, and we go through putting the pieces together. I will do this one, number 2, as an example in another video. And I'll grab something for a second. Okay, good. And on the next page, there's one with a triangular prism, right? That's the way that shape comes out, if you were thinking about that for a few minutes. And that also has a formula, but I want to think of it as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different shapes that we're going to add together. All right. And then in the book, there's some real life problems, quote unquote, real life problems. Lateral surface area. Lateral surface area. The lateral sides of the shape. The lateral, the up and down sides of the shapes, not including the base or the top. So the lateral sides are referred to as the lateral sides. So this particular purple trap, it's called, just has lateral sides. It has an open top and an open bottom. And you'll have problems that talk about an open top or an open bottom. And then there's some other problems down here, including frosting a cake. This says 1 can of frosting covers 200 square inches. Now, 200 square inches is an area measurement. A can of frosting is a volume measurement. Is 1 can of frosting enough to frost the cake? So here's the cake. And maybe we'll do that problem, but really, I don't think I'm gonna do that problem as an example, but you should be thinking about that problem. It really matters how thick the frosting's put on. All right, that's a little overview of the chapter. I'll come back with a couple other quick videos that get into particular examples. And then I want you to try the homework, which is on the next page. Starts here and then continues over here. All right, see y'all soon.